Come test drive the 2022 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, Bluetooth. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.